Think you've already seen everything when it comes to jaw-dropping inventions? Buckle up, because what you're about to discover will shatter every expectation you have. In this video, we're showcasing 7 inventions so real, so extreme, and so mind-blowing that they feel ripped straight out of a sci-fi movie, yet they already exist. And no, you won't see flying cars or super-fast maglev trains here. Those are old news. Today we're going further, from tech that makes you invisible to devices that read your mind, to entire cities that float on the ocean. What you're about to watch completely redefines the limits of science, engineering, and sheer human imagination. So sit back, turn the volume up, and pay close attention, because this video is going to blow your mind. Let's dive in. Top 1. Invisibility Shield Co. A small British startup called Invisibility Shield Company has built a portable shield that literally makes you invisible, at least to the naked eye. It uses a lenticular lens array to bend incoming light around the subject, blending them into the background. No power, no screens, no cameras, just pure physics. The shield measures roughly 90 by 60 centimeters, about 3 by 2 feet, and you can plant it in front of someone to make them disappear. Creators, artists, filmmakers, and yes, even military projects already have their hands on it. The best part? It's for sale. This isn't fiction. You can buy one and try it yourself, if you're okay dropping more than $500 per shield. A bold step toward full-on spy movie camouflage. Top 2. BrainNet. Forget Wi-Fi. BrainNet is an experimental system from the University of Washington and Carnegie Mellon University that lets multiple people communicate directly brain-to-brain using neural signals. Literal telepathy in real life. Electrodes read brain activity from one user, translate it into commands, and send it to another brain via transcranial magnetic stimulation. No words, no screens, no sound. In real tests, participants managed to play simple cooperative video games, think co-op Tetris, using only their thoughts. Transfer speeds are still low, but the tech already works. We're talking about a genuine mental connection. Perfect this. And one day we could send thoughts, emotions, or ideas straight from one brain to another. Science fiction? More like the dawn of a brand new era in human communication. Top 3. MX3D. Dutch company MX3D pulled off the impossible. A full pedestrian bridge made of stainless steel, three-dimensional printed from end to end. Robotic arms welded the steel layer by layer like a colossal printer. The bridge spans about 12 meters across one of Amsterdam's famous canals and opened in 2021. It's fully functional, carries hundreds of people a day, and its built-in sensors track its health in real time, like a durability bar from a video game. This tech could let us build complex metal structures without molds or traditional assembly. Everything printed in place, a jaw-dropping preview of tomorrow's urban architecture. Top 4. Deka Arm. Luke Arm. Nicknamed the Luke Arm, after Luke Skywalker, this robotic limb from Deka Research is one of the most advanced prosthetics ever made. It doesn't just copy human motion. Wearers can control every single finger independently using muscular signals. It can grip fragile items like an egg or crank hefty weights. Haptic sensors even return a sense of touch to the user. Veterans and amputees are already using it today. A prosthesis that looks straight out of a futuristic blockbuster, yet it's changing lives right now. Top 5. Gravity Jet Suit. Built by Gravity Industries, this is the closest thing on Earth to Iron Man. The suit packs 5 miniature jet engines on the arms and back, letting a person fly at over 100 kilometers per hour, around 62 miles per hour. Pilots steer by angling their arms, and thanks to its ergonomic design, they can hover for several minutes. It's already been used in military demos and mountain rescue tests where helicopters can't land. Price tag? About $400,000. But that hasn't stopped companies and governments from snapping them up for real-world trials. Proof that personal aviation tech has hit a whole new level, though you'll still need billionaire pockets to cosplay Tony Stark. Top 6. Oceanic City. Sea levels rising? Then we float. That's the idea behind Oceanic City, a radical project to build modular, self-sustaining floating cities adapted to climate change. These futuristic structures sit on buoyant platforms that generate their own solar power, harvest fresh water from the air, and grow food via hydroponics. Zero emissions, zero waste. The first prototype is already under construction off the coast of South Korea and could become the blueprint for coastal cities of the future, a genuine leap in eco-urbanism, technology, and nature in perfect balance. Imagine living surrounded by water in a city that powers and feeds itself without polluting. Sounds like sci-fi, but it's 100% real. A living laboratory on the ocean, proving that the future isn't always on solid ground. Sometimes it floats. Top 7. Lilium Jet. Developed by German company Lilium, this fully electric aircraft can take off and land vertically like a helicopter, yet cruise with the comfort and speed of a jet. 36 electric ducted fans built into pivoting wings give it whisper-quiet flight with zero emissions at speeds up to 300 kilometers per hour, about 186 miles per hour. Range, roughly 300 kilometers, perfect for urban and regional hops. It's now in advanced testing and already cleared by European regulators for experimental flights, an invention that could revolutionize air travel and slash big city traffic. And there you have it, 7 inventions that feel ripped from a sci-fi script but are already operating in the real world. From invisibility shields to bionic limbs and personal jetpacks, the future is here, and it's far more impressive than we ever imagined. Which one blew your mind the most? Want a part 2 with even crazier tech? Drop a comment, hit subscribe, and ring that bell, because here we bring you the most incredible, real, and powerful technology on the planet. See you in the next video.